I'm here on site yet with another kitchen. This one that I built recently. So the guy is doing the sheetrock, is doing the finishing touches on the ceiling. So we covered, protected certain areas. Pull up one of these drawers to show you the corner setup. Smooth running drawers. Then the more normal farmhouse sink. Nice farmhouse sink here. So as I said, the guy is finishing up the walls. Well, enough on that. I have these strips, some strips to put around this door to tighten up the space. So I needed the router to cut a profile edge on the side of the door so it wouldn't see through the space there.